Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha R3 with ABS. This is the Monster Energy Edition model. Fantastic showroom condition. It's got adjustable levers. Only 250 miles. Come on by and pick up your virtually brand new R3 Monster Edition for just $54.90. 250 miles on the odometer. This thing's perfect. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.